So this month we're discussing resolutions and how people can make them successful. And the big thing is turning that goal into a habit. If that's something that you've struggled with in the last few years, we can help you. I'm Dr. Dukes with Body in Motion. And in this video, we're going to talk about habit stacking. This is taking things that you already do and finding a way to upgrade it slightly in your life. You can see I am not wearing shoes. So this is one thing that I would look at to challenge people. Walk without shoes if you can. If you have pain in your feet, don't do that. But I think if you just always find yourself wearing shoes, try to wear not shoes. And when you're out at a beach, walk on the sand, walk in grass, feel things with your feet. I challenge that to everybody because it will help most people. So we're going to talk about the feet really quick on some other things that we can do. So most people shower every day or every other day. So we're cooking food. So these are my shower and cooking exercises that I give a lot of my patients. So it's a toga exercise. So we're going to lift the big toes and only the big toes and keep the other 4 toes pressed into the floor. So that's the first one. We're going to hold that up for 30 seconds. Then you press the big toes down, lift the other 4. Doing that for a 20 to 30 second hold once or twice a day is going to ingrain the fact that the big toe has its separate group of muscles and the other 4 have theirs, and they should work accordingly. So that's a very simple surface level explanation of why we should let our feet be feet a little bit more, not wear shoes as much as we have been. So then the next thing, we're going to go up to the hips. We spend a lot of time sitting on our butts, not using our hip muscles. So I make coffee every morning. When I'm making my coffee and I get it all set up, I sit in a squat with my heels down, and sometimes I'll wiggle around, but I'll stay in that squat with my toes pressed into the floor, and I can wiggle and move my knees, but I'll sit here and I'll hang out for the entire time that I'm making my coffee. If you make tea, you could do it with tea, right? But at the end of the day, let's sit in that squat. Let's let our hips feel those ranges a little bit more, okay? And then the last thing, take a micro break in your day. We sit so much and fold our upper backs that if we can do something to open our chest up, move our arms a little bit, it can really help. So for this one, just taking a 30-second break and moving your arms, right, and both together, can really open things up, tying in your core, but making sure you're using your shoulders. Those 3 things can help you stack some good habits on some things you're already doing to make it a little bit better. One little bonus, we should brush our teeth 2 times a day. Brush on your left foot in the morning, your right foot in the evening, and you're challenging your balance with something you should already be doing for yourself, okay? So there's a lot of other things, but if you have some questions about other habits that you have or little tweaks that we can do, feel free to reach out, schedule a discovery call, or book an appointment. This is part of our process in our office.